Don't you ever feel sad? Lean on me when times get bad. When the day comes and I know you're down in a river of trouble and you're about to drown, just hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming. Reach out to me for satisfaction, yeah. Call my name, babe, for quick reaction. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Hold On, I'm Coming by Sam and Dave. We'll do it one half step up than the original because that way it fits the ukulele pretty well. If you want to play along with the original, you have to tune down the ukulele half a step, all of the strings. Also, I'll be using a low G string ukulele, but this will work on high G the same way that I'm about to show you right now. Just this is what I have in my hands. So yeah, grab whatever ukulele you have and let's go. So the song has 4 different parts. The most important, of course, is the intro, which also we are using for the chorus after that. And I'm coming a little bit closer to show you what I'm doing on it. All right, we start with the chord of A. I strum all the strings and then with the pinky on the 3rd fret of the E string. Then open. Again. Again. Quick open 3, 2, open A string. So this phrase. All right. And then the melody stays the same, we just change the chords. The next one is C, but actually we are playing open O strings, C6, because we need this open A, and we do this. Then the same, 3rd fret of the E string, open, open, open 3, open A. And then on the D chord, I'm grabbing it like this. For those of you watching my channel know that I'm a big fan of this shape, but for this song we really need to grab it with 3 fingers because what I'm doing here is I'm strumming and then I'm sliding the pinky to sound the 3rd fret. All right? And then again, open, open, open 3rd, open A string, and getting back to the A, which is the same as the 1st bar. All right, so from the beginning, the whole thing, we repeat it twice, slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. One more time. Well, of course, if this is too hard for you, you can just strum the chords and whistle along with it, like this. And after that, we go to the verse, where we use A7. But what is really interesting here is the strumming, because there are 2 strums that you should accent on. It's on the beat 2 and 3. So if you count it, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, going to D7. Just hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming. And after that we have another verse, another chorus, and then we go to the bridge, which starts with the chord of D. Reach out to me for satisfaction. To C twice and then D to E7. And after that we go to the instrumental, which again I'll come a little bit closer to show you because there is a little pick. Alright, so the instrumental starts with A, and then we grab G chord, but I'm not playing the A string, okay? First I'm playing just the upper 3 strings, and then A string open, and then again open but hammer on the 2nd fret, and then again open to E string 3rd fret, and then the chord of C. And here maybe the most tricky part of the song, we grab the D chord but up here with a bar, 7, 6, 5, 5, and we do this with the pinky, 7 on the A string, 7th, 9th, 7th, 5th. Alright, so together this part. And we get back to the main. Or alright, so that was my tutorial for this song. Thank you so much for watching it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me in the next one. Goodbye.